Welcome to this video course, and I'm going to be explaining to you how to make money online without selling anything. Internet marketing is becoming very popular, and lots of people are searching online how to make money online. Unfortunately, it's becoming saturated. There's a lot of affiliates out there, people trying to promote affiliate products, and there's a lot of competition out there. And it's becoming harder to make money online with all this competition. Of course, you could still rise to the top. You gotta, find more creative ways to become successful. So basically, with all that competition out there, I want to explain in this video course another method, another route that you can go in terms of making money online, which requires less pressure, requires just helping people out, and just providing helpful content. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next few videos where I'm going to explain how you could do this, how you could make money online without trying to sell anything to people. You may have heard of the arbitrage method, where marketers will pay for traffic and drive that traffic to one of their websites where they get paid whenever visitors click on their ads. So basically, their profit is the revenues they get from those ads minus the expenses of paying for traffic. Now, this method I'm going to explain is an arbitrage method, but instead of paying for traffic and driving it to a website, what you're going to do here is you're going to get traffic. You could actually pay for it or get free traffic and drive it to a squeeze page first, okay? And a squeeze page, for those of you who don't know, is a lead generation page, a page where you offer something for free, and the visitor will opt in, fill in their email address, and get your free product. So here, as you can see, I have $0 as a free download. You just click on here, and they'll be asked to enter their email address. Another option is to just enter or to put an opt-in form on here instead of this button. Okay, so once somebody opts in, eventually they'll get brought to your thank you page here. And step one asks your visitors to whitelist your email. And then step two is check out your blog, where you will have these ads on there so that they can click on there, they can read the blog posts, and also click on your ads, and you'll get paid for that. Okay, and of course on this page down below is the link to the free downloads. Now, you don't have to create the content for these blogs. You could actually buy blogs out there, done for you blogs, and I'll cover that in another video. Okay, so here is an example. Let's say you drive them to this blog right here. You'll have ads up here, and all throughout the site you will have advertisements, and whenever someone clicks, they will get, or you will get paid.